Most people will be replaced by AI, but a few will rise because of it. The difference isn't the tool, it's the mindset. You're living in a time when one person with a laptop and ChatGPT can outperform entire teams. But here's the truth. Most people won't, not because they can't, but because they don't know how to use this power. Let me show you how to get ahead of 99% of people using AI the right way. The biggest lie about AI. Everyone's talking about how AI will take jobs, but that's only half the story. The real danger isn't losing your job. It's losing your edge. Because AI won't replace people. People who know how to use AI will replace people who don't. Right now, while most scroll and panic about the AI apocalypse, a small group of people is quietly building the future. They're automating workflows, writing smarter, creating faster, and thinking deeper, all with AI as their ally. This isn't about being a tech genius. It's about understanding leverage, and AI is the greatest form of leverage humanity has ever seen. The secret to staying ahead. The top 1% don't use AI to do the work for them. They use it to think for them. Here's what that means. They use ChatGPT to break down complex problems. They use Claude or Gemini to analyze data faster than analysts. They use image generators to visualize ideas before they exist. They're not working harder. They're thinking smarter. And that's what separates them from everyone else who treats AI like a toy. The 3 levels of AI users. There are 3 levels of AI. Mastery. Level 1, the consumer. These people use AI for entertainment. Funny prompts, simple searches, maybe homework help. They get a spark, but no results. Level 2, the producer. They use AI to create content, business plans, marketing systems, or automation. They start saving time, making money, and scaling ideas faster. Level 3, the architect. They don't just use AI, they build systems with it. They create pipelines, digital assistants, personal knowledge bases, and custom workflows. They combine multiple AIs to think and execute in harmony. This is the level that gets ahead of 99% of the world because they're not competing anymore. They're compounding. How? To rewire your thinking, if you want to get ahead with AI, you must shift from consumption to creation. Stop asking, how can I use AI to save time? Start asking, how can I use AI to multiply value? For example, don't just ask ChatGPT for answers. Train it to think like you. Don't just ask for business ideas. Ask it to simulate markets and build frameworks. Don't just let it summarize. Let it challenge your thinking. The more context and curiosity you feed it, the more powerful it becomes, because it learns your mental model. The 90-day challenge. Here's a challenge most won't take. But if you do, you'll separate yourself from nearly everyone for the next 90 days. Use AI every day for something meaningful. Document what it teaches you. Build one system that automates something in your life, even if it's small. By the end of those 90 days, you'll have something far more valuable than skills. You'll have AI intuition. You'll start to see patterns others don't, opportunities they ignore, and solutions they can't even imagine. That's how you get ahead, not by working harder, but by evolving faster. The human advantage. But here's the twist. AI can process everything except desire. It can't dream, imagine, or care. That's your advantage. So the future won't belong to those who fear AI, but to those who use it to expand their vision, their creativity, their humanity. The goal isn't to become more robotic. It's to become more alive. AI is not your competition. It's your amplifier. If you learn how to command it, you can build faster, learn deeper, and create what others can't even visualize yet. So don't ask, will AI replace me? Ask, will I evolve fast enough to use it before it uses me? Because by the time most people wake up to what's happening, the top 1% will already be untouchable. The future belongs to those who learn faster than the world changes.